ready to unlock a world of seamless messaging automation. Let's dive into connecting Wati to Pabbly Connect. First, log into your Pabbly Connect account if you don't have one. Sign up €. It's super easy. Now, click the Create Workflow button to get started. Give your workflow a descriptive name, and then let's set up our trigger. Search for Wati in the app selection and choose it. Now, select your desired trigger event. This is what will kick off your automation. Let's choose. Say, new message received. Pabbly Connect will then ask you to connect your Wati account. Click Add New Connection. You'll need your API endpoint and access token from your Wati account. You can find these in your Wati settings under the API section. Copy and paste them into Pabbly Connect, then click Save. Pabbly Connect will then test the connection by fetching a recent message from Wati. Review the data it pulls in to ensure everything is connected correctly. This confirms the trigger is working. Next, it's time to configure our action. This is what will happen in another app when a new message is received in Wati. Click the plus button and choose the app that you want to send data to. Let's say we want to add the new contact to Google Sheets. Search for Google Sheets and choose it, then select the action event as Add New Row. Just like with Wati, you will need to authenticate your Google account with Pabbly Connect. This will allow Pabbly Connect to put new information into Google Sheets. Now, it's time to map the data from Wati to Google Sheets columns. Click on the respective field and select the corresponding data from the Wati trigger step. For example, map the sender name to the name column in your Google Sheet and message content to the message column. Perfect. Now, click the Save and Send Test Request button to ensure that your integration is working as expected. Then, turn your workflow on. And congratulations, you've successfully connected Wati to Pabbly Connect. Automate everything.